Welcome to the GoStrap.com online Texas License to Carry course. So if you decide you want to get your Texas License to Carry and you don't want to spend the time in a class and go through all that stuff, then we do have an online option, and here it is. On our page, GoStrap.com, online-LTC, we've got buttons right here where you can click, and once you click those buttons, it'll take you right to our registration and our online course. Once you get to the online course, it looks a lot like this. It is $49 currently, and you click the Register Now button. Once you click that Register Now button, that will take you to your course. You'll complete the $49 payment, and then you can immediately begin your course. And yes, our course is certified through the Texas Department of Public Safety, and it is a certified online Texas License to Carry course. So once you complete your course, you come back to our page right here, and we have the process on how to do your application. So at the end of your course, you should have noticed, if you've already done it, you receive your LTC 101 for download. Now this comes as a download in that course itself. It also will send you an email. That email has a copy of your certificate with you, so you have it nice and easy. You're going to take that certificate and you're going to find a local provider. Now, of course, you can use us. We do the qualifications quite frequently. And you can come to us and we will certify you for the live fire or proficiency portion of that course and complete the required 1-hour safety class along with it. So it's kind of an all-in-one deal when we do it at the range. Now, once you have that LTC 101 and it is signed off by the online provider, which if it's us, then our signature will be on there. If it is someone else that have someone else's on there, hopefully they're certified with DPS as well. And you will find that proficiency provider. Once you find that proficiency provider, we will provide a map here on this website very soon on local ones for you if you're not in our area. They will sign off on your live fire proficiency. Once you have that entire LTC 101 signed off with the classroom and then the live fire proficiency, come back up here, and right here you'll notice, I didn't refresh my page, but you will notice on step 3. Step 3 will have the complete the state application process and submit your signed LTC 101. So this is where you do the state background check and submit a copy of your documents. So we'll start it right here at the applications. You're going to click here at the state application page. Once you click that, it's going to take you directly to the application for your Texas License to Carry. As you scroll down here, it's going to have information on what you need. So there's two options here. One for new users, that's probably going to be you, or returning users. If you have already submitted your application and you want to check the process of it, you can renew your license here. You can report a lost stolen license or whatever you want to do as a returning user. That's what you would do. But most of us are going to concentrate right here. So this is where you can apply to be an instructor as well. So if you want to be an instructor, we do teach instructor courses to certify you. But this is where you can get your Texas License to Carry as of right here, to carry a handgun. So you're going to click Apply. Once you click Apply, it's going to want some detailed information from you. One, your Texas DL number. If you have a driver's license from another state, you're going to click this button right here, and that's going to take you to a different portal to enter your out-of-state driver's license, but it's not really any different. So, click your Texas driver's license or ID card if you don't have a driver's license. You're going to enter your driver's license number. That's pretty simple. Your date of birth in the format that they give you, and this is what gets people kind of sometimes. You want to click right here. Depending on the type of driver's license you have, if you hover over this button, it'll come up with some different options. But you want to find that Texas DL audit number. That audit number is that really long number at the bottom of both of those pictures. If you find that number, enter that DL audit number right there. And then click Continue. Once you click Continue, that's going to take you through a whole bunch of different application questions, background questions, things like that. On average, it takes anybody from 5 to 10 minutes for them to complete those application questions. So it's not that long. If you have questions about what they're going to ask you, right here on the right, they have convenient little guide-by-guide step on what they kind of want. So it's a pretty easy process. Once you're done with that and you complete your application process, within 48 hours, usually it's within 20 minutes, they will send you an email to schedule your fingerprints. Right now, fingerprinting is done through a company called Identigo. They change their name from time to time, but that email will have a link on it. Click that link. It will also have a code. So retain that email. Use that code or that link to schedule your fingerprints at a location near you. It's a pretty quick process. They're very efficient now. And once you get those fingerprints to them, that starts your background check. And then you can actually go back. Once you complete the fingerprinting, you can actually return into a login as a returning user. And then you can actually check your status on what that background check is. So very simple process. The only thing left you have is to submit your LTC 101. So if you click right here, we provide a link for you directly to the Texas DPS Contact Us page. When you go here, it's going to ask you first and foremost, I want to, and then you select what you want to do. If you have a question, you can ask a question. Get a mailing address, phone number, hearing, complaint, whatever you want to do. Most of you are going to be doing this. Submit documents for applicants. So you're going to click that button. Have you submitted your LTC application? So you're going to click yes because you've already done that, because that's what we did the steps for. So you're going to click yes. At that point, it's going to ask you your identifying information. First name, last name, email, confirm email, and it's going to have the date and your DL number. So that's what your application is under. Once you do that, you're going to go down to this button and you click add documents. So we're going to add some information here. Daffy Duck, email, and we're going to go abc@yahoo.com and then abc@yahoo.com. Now, once you've got that in there, we're going to go our DL state, and we're going to go Texas, and then we're going to add a number in here. So we're going to add 5561962, and I didn't even count how many digits that is. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because this is not a real DL number, at least I hope. And then once you get that, now it should allow you to add documents. So once you add your documents, pretty simple. You just click choose file, and then it'll bring up a file folder on your computer or your phone if you're doing it by phone. A lot of people do it by phone. And then you can choose wherever you saved your LTC 100. Once that's completed, you're just going to click submit documents. Once those documents are submitted, they should have them in their files for their review. Now, once they complete your background check, they will then look to see if you've completed the course and if you submitted your documents. If you have, they will then mail you your license to carry to the address you have on file. If they don't, they will send you an email or some sort of reminder saying, hey, we haven't received these documents from you. Some people say they get those, some people they don't. Either way, keep checking back on this returning user here, log in, and you can see the status of what they need and what they have or have not processed. I hope this helps with your license to carry application. If you have any questions, please email us at info@ghostrap.com or go right to our website and you can hit a contact us form on our page. Thank you. Have a nice day.